In question 17, James is 425% heavier than his baby brother. Which of the following is equal to 425%? And all here we have mixed numbers and fractions. So we have 425%. Of course, guys, as you know, this is equivalent to 425 over 100. And it's also equivalent to 4 and 25 over 100. And as you know, 25 over 100, that's quarter. That's fourth. So it's 4 and fourth. So the answer is C. In question 18, on a TV talent program, Christine's vote was 360% of Rachel's. Which of the following is equal to 360%? So let's do the same. We have 360 over 100 or 3 and 60 over 100. Simplify this. It will be 3 and remove 0, divide by 2. When you divide 6 by 2, it will be 3. Divide 5 by 2, it will be 5. So the answer is 3 and 3/5. In the next question, there are 402 students at Brook Park School. About 24% of the students have attended a different school at some time before. About how many students came to Brook Park from another school? So what we need to find is, we need to find 24% of 402. How to do this? We need to estimate. Why estimate? Because the question is about how many. So the question is asking us to estimate. Let's estimate. 24 is about 25%. Why 25? I know that 25 is 1/4, 1/4. And 402, that's about 400. So what I need to find is 1/4 of 400. And I can find quarter of 400, which is 100. So quarter of 400 is 100. So the answer is B. The number of students is about 100. Here also, 38% of 194. To estimate this, so 83, we will take something that we will take compatible numbers, okay? So here we can take 80%. Why 80%? 80% is 4/5. 194 is about 200. So 80% or 4/5 of 200, that's 160. In question 21, 19, yes, we need to estimate too, so it's 20%, and 20% is 1/5, and this is 200, so 1/5 of 200, 1/5 of 200, that is, excellent, 40. In question 22, there are 582 students at Cambridge Middle School. About 34% of the students choose blue as their favorite color? About how many students choose blue? So we need to find about how many. So we need to estimate. Estimate what? 34% of the total number, which is 582. How to do this? Okay. Take here 34, that's near to 1/3. And 582, I need something that is divisible by 3. So we can take 600. And 1/3 of 600 is 200. So the answer is C. Here also, in 23, estimate 62%, that's 2/3. And 196, I want a number that is divisible by 3. So we can take 180. When you divide by 3, this is 1, this is 60. So 60 multiplied by 2 is 120. Which is the best estimate for this one? In 24, this is 39. So 39% is near to 40%, and 306 is near to 300, and 40% of 300, we can remove the zeros and multiply 40 by 3, it will be 120. So it's 120. In question 25, the circle graph shows the sales of different colors of sweaters at casual clothing store. In all 400 sweaters were sold. How many black sweaters were sold? Okay, let's see this. We have in all 400. Okay, so the total here is 400. The 100% is 400. And the question requires the number of black. The black is here 11%. So we need to find 11% of 400. Okay, 11% of 400, that's 11 and 100 as a table, and here the total is 400. Let's find x, use the scissors. So x is equal to 11 multiplied 400 divided by 100, simplify, remove the zeros, and 11 multiplied by 4 is 44. So x equal 44, and we have the answer B. In the next question, Clarence saved 19% of the money he earned. If Clarence earned $90, how much did he save? So here we have the total $90. And we need to find 19% of 90. Let's do this. We have here 19 to 100 as a total, and here we have $90 as a total. Let's find the value of x. Use cross multiplication. To do this, we will multiply 19 by 90 divided by 100. And 19 divided 90 is 171. And we will remove 0 from here. So we have 10 in the denominator. Place the point after one digit. So $17.1. So the answer is C. Karen earned $65 and put $13 in her savings. What percent of 65 is 13? Let's use the table. We have what percent? So we have X percent. And we have $13. And the total is 65. Let's find X. To find X, what we do? Multiply 13 by 100 and divide by 65. Okay. When we divide 65 by 13, it will be 5. And 13 divided 13 is 1. And also we can divide by 5. 1 divided 5 is 20. So the answer 1 multiplied 20 is 20. And we have 1 in the denominator, so X equal 20. So this is 20 and X is percent. Don't forget to write percent. So the answer is 20%. Don't forget to write percent. And the next question. The circle graph shows the sales of different colors of t-shirts at a casual clothing store, and all 400 t-shirts were sold. So the total is 400. How many red t-shirts were sold? The red, the percentage of red is 44. So we need to find 44% of 400. So 44%, and we have here total 400. To find X, what we do? Multiply 44 by 400 and divide by 100. Remove the zeros, and 44 multiplied by 4 is 176. So 176, this is the number of t-shirts. Thank you guys, that's all for today. Goodbye.